Ready to turn your bathroom into a space that feels straight out of a 5-star hotel? These luxury bathroom upgrades combine elegant design, smart comfort, and premium finishes to create a truly high-end experience. From spa-inspired features to sleek modern touches, they make every moment feel more relaxing and refined. Check the links in the description to explore them all. Bring a touch of modern luxury to your bathroom. This transparent resin bathtub glows with a lake blue tint, giving your space a calming, elegant vibe. Its thick, solid structure is built to last for decades, far stronger than typical acrylic tubs. The non-porous surface resists stains, so a quick wipe with soapy water keeps it looking crystal clear and like new. Who knew a toilet could feel this luxurious? This smart design combines modern elegance with high-tech comfort, featuring a heated seat and warm air dryer that make every visit feel like a spa moment. Adjustable washing modes offer a gentle, personalized clean for both rear and feminine care, with customizable pressure and position. The seat closes softly and silently. No more loud slams in the middle of the night. Sleek, smart, and effortless, it turns everyday hygiene into pure comfort. Step into a spa every day with this large towel warmer. Its spacious bucket holds oversized towels, robes, or blankets, keeping them perfectly heated. 4-timer settings let you prep warm towels in advance, and it shuts off automatically for safety. The stainless steel tub resists corrosion, while built-in cord storage keeps your bathroom neat. Reliable and luxurious, it's the ultimate way to enjoy cozy, spa-like comfort at home. Dry your clothes anywhere, no laundry room required. This compact dryer uses warm air and smart airflow to dry your clothes fast, all while staying whisper quiet. You can set the timer, let it work, and come back to fresh, dry laundry in under an hour. It even uses built-in UV light to help keep fabrics clean and odor-free. Perfect for apartments, travel, or anyone short on space, but big on convenience. Your shower just leveled up in a big way. This smart shower set shows the exact water temperature on a digital display, so you always get it just right. The system keeps the heat steady, meaning no sudden cold or hot surprises. You can switch between 3 water flow modes, from relaxing to powerful. Plus, the wide double-layer shelf keeps all your shower essentials within easy reach. Say goodbye to messy soap bottles. This automatic dispenser gives you foam instantly with just a wave of your hand. The upgraded touch button is waterproof and adjustable, so you control how much soap comes out. It's rechargeable and can last for months on a single charge. Sleek, modern, and easy to mount, it works perfectly in kitchens, bathrooms, or anywhere you need quick, touchless hygiene. Scrubbing your back just got effortless. This wall-mounted electric shower brush cleans and exfoliates without you having to twist or reach. Soft bristles massage your skin while removing dead cells, leaving you smooth and refreshed. The hands-free design sticks securely to your shower wall, so you can focus on relaxing. Easy to install and perfect for everyone, it turns your daily shower into a mini spa. Take your phone into the shower safely. This waterproof phone holder protects your device while letting you watch videos, listen to music, or scroll social media. Its 480-degree rotation and adjustable angle put your screen exactly where you want it. The clear TPU cover keeps touch sensitivity and Face ID fully functional. Easy to mount with strong adhesive hooks, it works on walls, mirrors, or even bathtubs, making your shower time both fun and hands-free. Your daily shower just turned into a spa-level experience. This smart shower system lets you switch water modes with piano-style buttons that feel smooth and effortless. The built-in thermostat keeps the temperature steady, while the digital display shows you exactly how warm the water is. Overhead sprays, a handheld option, and a tub faucet give you total flexibility for rinsing or relaxing. With built-in shelves and a sleek design, you get comfort, control, and style every time you step in. So if you want a shower that feels like a spa, scan the QR on screen. This isn't just a toilet, it's a full spa experience for your bathroom. The smart Bidet Seat offers warm water cleaning, gentle air drying, and a heated seat for comfort anytime. Auto open and flush features mean you never have to touch a handle, while side buttons give quick control over all functions. A soft night light sets a calming ambiance, and even kids can use it safely with the included child ring. Modern, hygienic, and convenient, it makes every visit effortless. Take your favorite shows anywhere, rain or shine. This portable smart TV is waterproof, battery-powered, and floats, making it perfect for pools, bathrooms, or camping trips. Built-in Wi-Fi and Google TV let you stream apps, browse content, and even use voice commands. Dual speakers deliver clear sound, and the 1080p screen keeps every scene sharp. Lightweight, versatile, and wire-free, it turns any space into your personal entertainment zone. Tired of soggy soap bars taking over your sink? This wall-mounted soap grinder turns solid soap into a fine powder with just a press. You can adjust the coarseness to suit your needs, so it's perfect for washing hands, dishes, or even crafts. The hygienic design keeps soap dry and clean, lasting longer than traditional bars. Compact and easy to mount, it's a smart, space-saving addition to any bathroom or kitchen. Say goodbye to messy soap bottles. This touchless dispenser gives you just the right amount every time, with 8 adjustable levels to suit your needs. Its extra large tank means fewer refills, keeping your kitchen or bathroom hassle-free. The rechargeable battery lasts months on a single charge, and the waterproof design lets you mount it or place it on the counter. Clean hands or dishes are just a wave away. Turn your daily routine into a moment of calm. This elegant bathroom faucet blends smooth curves with a shining chrome finish that instantly elevates your space. The spout swivels a full 360 degrees and comes with a pull-out hose so you can reach every corner of the sink with ease. Choose from 4 spray modes: rainfall, stream, waterfall, or upward spray to match your mood or task. Simple, sleek, and soothing, it brings both beauty and comfort to your bathroom. Bring a little underwater magic into your space. This Jellyfish Diffuser releases ultra-fine mist through 5 umbrella-shaped nozzles, spreading moisture 3 times wider than normal diffusers. The mist even dances to sound, syncing with music or chatter for a mesmerizing effect. Choose from 7 soft colors and adjust brightness with a remote to match your mood. With whisper quiet operation and safety features, it's perfect for bedrooms, offices, or a relaxing home spa. Upgrade your bathroom comfort with this soft, O-shaped toilet seat cushion. Made from waterproof EVA, it adds a gentle layer for a more pleasant experience every time. Quick and easy to install, it fits most standard toilet seats without hassle. Durable and hygienic, it protects the seat while staying easy to clean. The stylish blue color adds a fresh touch to your bathroom decor. So if you want a cozier bathroom experience, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Your toothbrush just got a high-tech upgrade. This wall-mounted holder cleans with UVA plus UVC light, killing germs deep in the bristles for truly fresh hygiene. Wave your hand, and the smart infrared sensor opens it automatically, while the LED display shows cleaning progress and battery level. It runs a full cycle with air ventilation, keeping brushes dry and ready, even in humid bathrooms. Fits most toothbrushes, runs up to 30 days per charge, and is easy to remove and clean, making daily oral care simple and smart. Turn bath time into a full-body retreat. This luxury tub features 16 adjustable hydrotherapy jets powered by a strong 1.5 horsepower motor, delivering soothing massages to your back, body, and feet. The fiberglass reinforced design with stainless steel framing supports up to 900 pounds and keeps water warm for longer with double insulation. It arrives ready to plug in with a pre-installed faucet, shower head, and drain. No complex setup required. Upgrade your dental routine with this cordless water flosser. Compact and rechargeable, it delivers up to 10 pressure settings and a full minute and a half of powerful water flow to clean teeth, gums, and braces. 7 specialized tips let multiple users get a personalized clean, while the rotating head reaches every angle. Dentist approved and ADA accepted, it removes plaque, fights cavities, and keeps breath fresh. Sleek, portable, and effective, it makes flossing simple and satisfying. Turn wasted space into instant storage. This 3-tier rack fits perfectly above your toilet, giving you shelves for towels, toiletries, and everyday essentials. Hooks and a paper holder keep things handy, while the sturdy metal frame stays stable and rust-free. It's tall, sleek, and makes your bathroom feel organized without crowding. Easy to assemble and clean, it's a smart solution for any small space. Keep your bathroom neat without any hassle. This wall-mounted organizer holds up to 7 toothbrushes, toothpaste, and even your daily cosmetics. The automatic dispenser squeezes toothpaste without waste, while magnetic cups drain upside down to stay clean and dry. 2 drawers and a tray give extra storage for razors, soap, or combs. Easy to install without drilling, it sticks firmly to almost any surface, making your bathroom tidy and organized instantly. Say goodbye to cluttered shower shelves. This wall-mounted triple dispenser keeps shampoo, conditioner, and body wash all in one sleek spot. The ergonomic pump delivers just the right amount every time, so you waste less and stay mess-free. Refills are quick with a wide opening, and the whole unit lifts off the wall for easy cleaning. Made from rust-proof stainless steel, it stays shiny and durable, keeping your bathroom organized and stylish. If you're tired of soggy towels on the counter, this stone drying mat gives your kitchen a clean, elevated feel. The surface absorbs water fast, so dishes, cups, and bottles dry quickly without leaving puddles behind. You get a large mat for everyday use and a smaller one you can use as a soap tray or coaster. The subtle marble look blends right in, keeping your kitchen stylish and clutter-free. Wrinkled clothes? Not anymore. This smart clothing care system refreshes, smooths, and revives your outfits in just 10 minutes. No ironing board needed. Adjustable hangers and pocket smoothers keep every piece perfectly in place while the cleaning pods work their magic. It removes odors, reduces wrinkles, and restores fabric freshness in a single cycle. Fast, effortless, and fabric-friendly. It's like a mini dry cleaner right in your home. Step out of the shower into a cloud of warmth. This towel warmer heats towels, robes, and blankets quickly, giving you cozy comfort in seconds. Its large 25-liter capacity fits the whole family's needs, while even heat wraps everything in gentle warmth. A built-in aromatherapy feature adds a subtle, relaxing scent. With a timer, auto shut-off, and child-safe design, it's both luxurious and worry-free. Never stumble in the dark again. This motion-activated toilet light glows the moment you approach, staying on just long enough to guide your way. Pick from 16 fun colors or let them cycle for a playful effect that kids and adults will love. Easy to install, waterproof, and battery-powered, It fits any toilet bowl. A quirky, practical gadget that adds fun and safety to your bathroom. Keep your hands clean and your counters tidy with this touchless paper towel dispenser. Just wave, and it dispenses the perfect amount. No mess, no fuss. Unused sheets automatically retract, keeping your roll dry and neat. Refilling is simple. Open the cover, swap in a new roll, and you're ready to go. It works with most standard paper towels and can run on batteries or plug in, making it a smart addition to any kitchen or workspace. Your toothbrush deserves a smarter home. This wall-mounted holder keeps everything organized while saving space on your sink. It fits multiple toothbrushes, even electric ones, so your whole setup stays neat and tidy. A built-in timer helps you brush for the right amount of time, then stops automatically. With a rechargeable battery and no messy wires, you can mount it anywhere in seconds. Taking out the trash just got a lot cleaner. This smart trash can opens automatically the moment you wave your hand, so you never have to touch the lid. The motion sensor reacts in seconds, then closes softly after you're done. It helps keep germs away and your space more hygienic. You can also control it manually anytime, giving you flexibility when needed. Your mirror just became your favorite screen. This smart mirror TV looks like a sleek mirror when off, then reveals a full display the moment you turn it on. It's fully waterproof, so you can enjoy shows, music, or news right in your bathroom without worry. Built-in voice control lets you search and play content hands-free. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can stream, connect, and upgrade your routine effortlessly. Time to turn your shower into a private concert. This mini waterproof speaker sticks anywhere with its suction cup or hangs with a silicone lanyard. You'll get rich, crystal clear sound and booming bass, loud enough to fill the whole bathroom without distortion. Drop it in water or take it to the pool. IPX. 7 waterproofing keeps it safe for up to a meter underwater. Compact, easy to use, and 15 hours of playtime means your favorite tunes go wherever you do. Step into the future of showering. This smart thermostatic shower system keeps water at a perfect 40 degrees Celsius, so every shower feels just right. The large star-shaped overhead head mixes air into the water, creating soft, plump droplets that feel gentle on your skin. 4 piano-style keys let you control water modes with a touch, while 360-degree LED lights add a spa-like vibe. A built-in shelf holds your shower essentials, and the pressurized handheld spray gun makes cleaning your bathroom effortless. The future of bathroom comfort is here, and it's smarter than you think. This advanced toilet opens automatically as you walk up and closes when you're done. No hands needed. The built-in bidet cleans gently with adjustable warm water and air drying, while the heated seat keeps you cozy year-round. At night, a soft glow light guides your way. Quiet, clean, and completely effortless. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.